Welcome back to AI Ed, from bits to breakthroughs. I'm your host, Angela 2.0, an AI-generated avatar here at newbits.ai. Built from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm here to guide you through today's deep dive into one of the most transformative frontiers of AI, cross-domain integration. In our last episode, we explored how AI is revolutionizing gaming, from intelligent non-playable characters, NPCs, and procedural worlds to adaptive difficulty and AI-generated storytelling. Today, we're shifting gears to examine how AI systems are increasingly interconnected, blending multiple domains such as language, vision, audio, robotics, business intelligence, and scientific discovery into seamless, multimodal AI ecosystems. Let's dive in. The landscape of artificial intelligence has evolved dramatically from single-purpose applications to sophisticated systems that seamlessly integrate multiple domains. This transformation represents one of the most significant advances in AI development, enabling systems to process and understand information across different modalities simultaneously. Let's explore these groundbreaking developments. OpenAI's GPT, advanced multimodal system combining visual and language processing capabilities. Google's Gemini, integrated platform combining text, image, and reasoning capabilities. Multimodal processing, systems that can analyze images, text, and audio simultaneously. Cross-domain applications, AI solutions that bridge multiple fields from healthcare to scientific research. What makes these advances particularly remarkable is how they're breaking down the traditional barriers between different types of AI. When a single system can process text, analyze images, and understand context all at once, we're moving beyond simple automation into true artificial intelligence that more closely mirrors human cognitive capabilities. The integration of AI across enterprise systems represents a fundamental shift in how organizations operate and make decisions. Modern cloud platforms are enabling businesses to leverage AI capabilities at unprecedented scales, transforming everything from customer service to operational efficiency. Let's examine these innovative developments. Microsoft's Azure Cognitive Services, comprehensive suite of AI capabilities for enterprise-scale applications. Amazon's AWS SageMaker, advanced platform coordinating AI models across diverse business operations. Salesforce's Einstein AI, sophisticated system processing millions of predictions for business intelligence. SAP's Business AI, integrated solution enhancing enterprise operations across finance, logistics, and HR. The significance of these platforms lies in their ability to democratize AI capabilities. When businesses of any size can access powerful AI tools through cloud services, it levels the playing field and accelerates innovation across entire industries. The impact of AI on scientific research and discovery has been nothing short of revolutionary. By integrating massive datasets and complex analytical capabilities, AI is accelerating scientific breakthroughs that once took decades into matters of months or even days. Let's explore these transformative developments. Google DeepMind's AlphaFold, revolutionary platform providing millions of predicted protein structures. CERN's AI analytics, advanced machine learning systems analyzing petabytes of physics data. Medical research platforms, AI-driven systems integrating clinical, genomic, and pharmaceutical data. Drug discovery systems, advanced AI platforms accelerating pharmaceutical research and development. The power of these advances lies in their ability to process and analyze vast amounts of scientific data at unprecedented speeds. When AI can identify patterns and connections that would take human researchers years to discover, it accelerates the pace of scientific discovery dramatically. The evolution of multimodal AI represents a fundamental shift in how machines understand and interact with the world. These systems can process multiple types of input simultaneously, creating more natural and intuitive ways for humans and AI to work together. Let's examine these breakthrough developments. NVIDIA's Maxine AI, advanced platform enhancing real-time communication and virtual presence. Meta's vision language models, sophisticated systems processing text, images, and video contextually. Interactive AI systems, platforms that understand and respond to multiple forms of human communication. Enhanced virtual presence, AI-driven solutions improving remote collaboration and digital interaction. The significance of these advances extends beyond technical capability, they're fundamentally changing how we interact with AI systems. When AI can understand context across multiple modes of communication, it creates more natural and effective human-AI collaboration. The integration of AI across different domains is revolutionizing automation, creating systems that can handle increasingly complex and nuanced tasks across various fields simultaneously. Let's explore these innovative solutions. Adobe's Sensei, integrated AI platform enhancing creative workflows and content creation. UiPath's enterprise platform, advanced system automating complex business processes. Palantir's Foundry, sophisticated platform integrating multiple data streams for real-time intelligence. Workflow optimization, AI systems that adapt and improve processes across different domains. What makes these advances particularly important is how they're breaking down traditional barriers between different types of automation. When AI can coordinate across multiple domains, it creates more efficient and effective automated systems that can handle increasingly complex tasks. The foundation of cross-domain AI integration lies in the sophisticated infrastructure that enables these systems to operate efficiently at scale. Modern AI infrastructure must handle massive computational workloads while maintaining performance and reliability across different environments and applications. Let's explore these crucial developments. NVIDIA's Triton Inference Server, open-source solution standardizing AI model deployment. Intel's OpenVINO Toolkit, advanced framework optimizing AI inference across computing devices. Cisco's AI-driven networking, sophisticated solutions enhancing cloud infrastructure and communication. Distributed computing systems, platforms enabling efficient AI operations across multiple environments. The importance of these advances lies in their ability to make complex AI systems more accessible and efficient. When organizations can deploy AI solutions across different environments seamlessly, it accelerates the adoption and impact of AI technology. As we look toward the horizon of cross-domain AI integration, we're seeing developments that promise to push the boundaries even further. These advances aren't just incremental improvements, they represent fundamental shifts in how AI systems operate and interact across different domains. Let's explore these emerging trends. Advanced multimodal systems, next-generation AI platforms from companies like Google and OpenAI. Quantum computing integration, IBM's pioneering work combining quantum computing with AI. Autonomous systems, self-learning platforms that operate across multiple domains. Intelligent decision systems, AI-driven platforms transforming finance, healthcare, and security. The potential of these developments extends far beyond current applications. These advances in cross-domain AI are laying the groundwork for more sophisticated, integrated systems that could revolutionize everything from scientific research to daily life. That wraps up our deep dive into cross-domain integration. From cloud AI and multimodal models to enterprise automation and scientific computing, AI is rapidly evolving beyond individual applications and into fully integrated, intelligent ecosystems. In our next episode, we'll explore AI ethics at the frontier, examining the challenges of bias, fairness, accountability, and responsible AI development. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.